starting to come in. Well, some good news is that man lost his keys and he asked for us if we could find it, and I found them, which was pretty good news. And then he's like, "I don't know you, but I gotta hug you," which was really funny. And now we're gonna just sit and relax right here, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna keep on going.